you're going to cook a brisket, you're going to make sure that you've got enough fuel to last you the entire cook. So things like briquettes are going to last you a little bit longer than lump, or a nice mixture of the two will give you some flavour and it'll give you that longevity of the cook. And just make sure you've got everything you need before you start, because there's no point ducking down to the hardware store or the barbecue shop later on, or midway through the cook. We're going to use our favourite heat beads lump. Now this is a natural product. It's basically hardwood that's been burnt down into charcoal. This is going to offer some nice flavour and also some good heat. But we're going to mix that today with our briquettes. So the briquettes aren't a natural product. These are a pressed carbon. So what this is going to do is give us that longevity in heat. So a perfect mix between the two.